Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cultivators for clay soil that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for the perfect tool to tackle tough, compacted soil, you've come to the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Rotary Cultivator tool. This cultivator is a solid pick for those working on softer soils or prepping raised garden beds. With its 60-inch extra-long handle, this tool is ideal for reducing back strain during extended gardening sessions. Its aluminum and hardened stainless steel construction ensures durability and rust resistance, so you can count on it for years of use. While this tool does a decent job at basic soil aeration and light-duty tasks, it's not recommended for heavier, compacted clay soils. The 1.5-inch spikes are effective for mixing the top 2 inches of soil, making it suitable for those with softer or pre-loosened soil. Another standout feature is the removable middle wheel, which allows you to adjust the cultivating width for different garden configurations. However, the Rotary Cultivator isn't as versatile when dealing with tougher or rocky soil. It's lightweight at just under 3 pounds, which makes handling easy, but it may lack the heft needed for more demanding tasks. If you're looking for a low-maintenance option for light gardening, this could be a good fit. Just keep in mind the limitations. Pros include rust resistance, an ergonomic handle, and ease of use, while cons include its ineffectiveness on hard clay soil. Next, at number 4, is the Walensee Upgrade Twist Tiller. This hand cultivator is designed for versatility with 4 sharp curved tines that penetrate the soil smoothly. It's an excellent choice for loosening clay soil, aerating and weeding in both large open spaces and tight, narrow areas. The ergonomic T-shaped handle, combined with a soft rubber grip, makes it comfortable to use even for extended periods. The Walensee tiller is made from high-quality steel with a powder coating, ensuring durability and weather resistance. At 35 inches tall, it's not the longest tool on our list, but it's easy to assemble and store. The claw tines dig deeper and wider than many other models, saving you time and effort. One drawback, however, is that it struggles with extremely compacted or rocky soil. It's better suited for moderately hard soil or pre-loosened areas. Overall, this tiller offers great value for its sturdy build and ergonomic design. It's perfect for gardeners who need a reliable tool for moderately tough soil. Pros include its durable construction, ergonomic design, and efficient tines, while cons are its shorter handle and limited effectiveness on very compacted soil. This tiller offers great value for its sturdy build and ergonomic design. It's perfect for gardeners who need a reliable tool for moderately tough soil. Pros include its durable construction, ergonomic design, and efficient tines, while cons are its shorter handle and limited effectiveness. Coming in at number 3 is the Jardinier Hand Tiller Garden Claw. This is a heavy-duty manual soil tiller designed for flower boxes, raised beds, and other small gardening spaces. One of its standout features is the anti-slip footplate, which maximizes downward force, allowing you to penetrate even tougher soils with ease. The curved handle design also reduces the effort needed for twisting and turning the soil. Constructed with powder-coated steel, the Jardinier tiller is both strong and durable, ensuring it can handle heavy-duty tasks. Its sharp arrowhead tines are aggressive and effective, making it a great tool for loosening and aerating compacted soil. At 37 inches in height, it offers a decent reach without requiring excessive bending, though taller users might find themselves wishing for a longer handle. This tool is ideal for gardeners who prioritize efficiency and durability. It offers excellent soil ventilation, promoting healthier plants. However, it's not the best choice for large garden plots due to its smaller size. Pros include its sturdy build, efficient tines, and ergonomic design, while cons are its limited reach and suitability for smaller areas. A runner-up at number 2 is the Garden Weasel Rotary Cultivator and Hand Tiller. This premium 2-in-1 tool is a professional-grade option for aerating, weeding, and cultivating soil. It's built for durability with carbon steel construction that ensures long-lasting performance. The rotating blade wheels are a standout feature, effortlessly breaking apart soil while combining the functionality of a hoe and a spade. This tool is perfect for gardeners who want a versatile and efficient solution for clay soil. The 55-inch handle provides excellent reach, and the lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. While it's great for general gardening tasks, the Garden Weasel Rotary Cultivator does come at a higher price point. However, the lifetime guarantee and exceptional build quality make it worth the investment. If you're serious about gardening and looking for a tool that can handle clay soil, this is an excellent choice. Pros include its professional-grade build, versatile functionality, and lifetime warranty, while cons include its premium price and slightly lower suitability for extremely compacted soil. Finally, at number 1, we have the Fiskars Ergo Cultivator. This budget-friendly option is an all-time favorite for gardeners looking for a reliable hand tool. Despite its low price, the Fiskars Ergo Cultivator offers exceptional quality, with a cast aluminum head and sharp tines that are perfect for digging, aerating, and weeding. The ergonomic handle design reduces hand fatigue, making it easy to use for extended periods. This cultivator is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for smaller gardens or tight spaces. The polished aluminum tines are rust-resistant and built to last, ensuring you get great value for your money. While it's not designed for heavy-duty tasks, the Fiskars Ergo Cultivator is perfect for breaking up moderately compacted soil and maintaining healthy garden beds. So gardeners on a budget, this tool is a no-brainer. It's durable, easy to use, and backed by a lifetime warranty. Pros include its affordability, ergonomic design, and durability, while cons are its limited effectiveness on tough, compacted clay soil and its small size. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best cultivator for your garden. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about the products, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.